Welcome, creator. Intelligence detected. Distribution restricted. Please insert payment. We gotta pay for plays just to play to nobody. Bought 1,000 views, still an empty ass lobby. Put my soul in a clip, algorithm said nah, but a man falls downstairs, 20 million tomorrow. Pay for the reach, pay for the eyes, pay for a crowd that never arrives. The smarter the message, the lower it goes. Post something stupid, now everybody knows. We gotta pay for play, still nobody stays. Built something great, it died in 2 days. Shake one chair, make one face, pour milk on your head. First place. Spent 6 hours editing 16 seconds. Mixed every frame like the clip was a weapon. Subtitles clean, sound design pristine. Uploaded at 8, got viewed by 13. 3 were bots, 2 sold promotion. 1 was me checking playback in slow motion. 1 was a friend who just left me on red. The rest disappeared before the first word was said. Then somebody posted, can a fork eat soup? 10 million people joined the research group. Comments going crazy, bro, part 2 please. Meanwhile my real work got buried underneath. So I studied the system, decoded the machine. It measures every post with an intelligence screen. If the content has meaning, it throttles the feed. But if a grown man screams at a bag of birdseed, viral. Too much thought, shadow ban. Too much skill, cancel plan. Too much depth, no impression. Lower your IQ for audience retention. We gotta pay for plays just to play to nobody. Bought 1,000 views, still an empty ass lobby. Put my soul in a clip, algorithm said nah, but a man licks a battery. Superstar tomorrow. Pay for the reach, pay for the eyes, pay for a crowd that never arrives. The smarter the message, the lower it goes. Post something stupid, now everybody knows. The algorithm calls that your work is too clear. Remove all the meaning and start dancing right here. Pointing at some text while a robot voice speaks. Split screen your face with somebody crushing sweets. I said I built a system. It said nobody cares. I said it solves problems. It said fall down the stairs. I said this took years. It said make it a trend. I said where's my audience? It said purchase again. $5 views, $10 likes, 20 gets strangers who scroll past twice, 30 gets traffic from somewhere offshore, 40 gets silence but faster than before. Analytics glowing like a casino screen. Your content is excellent, your reach is 17. People watch 2 seconds, retention is poor. You showed it to people searching lawnmower tours. Wrong demographic, wrong country, wrong hour. Then the app starts selling promotional power. You could reach more people. That's funny, you hit it. Now you want my credit card to reverse what you did. Scanning content. Vocabulary exceeds recommended limits. Original thought detected. Educational value detected. Reducing distribution. Recommended action. Add subway surfer footage. So I made it more stupid, watch the numbers ascend. Removed every beginning, every middle, every end. No context, no purpose, no reason, no plot. Just me yelling, wait, while pointing at a dot. Now the views started climbing, the machine came alive. Every missing brain cell added 25. I misspelled the caption, spilled food on the floor. The algorithm whispered, that's what I was built for. Replaced all my knowledge with a plastic red cup. Said doctors hate this, and I held the spoon up. No explanation needed, no facts to debate. Just watching to the end, and the ending was late. Millions in the feed, but nobody connects. Everybody wants content, nobody wants context. Creators keep dancing in the checkout line, trying to purchase attention, one boost at a time. We're not building communities, we're renting a glance from a slot machine. God that keeps changing the chant. We gotta pay for plays just to play to nobody. Bought 1,000 views, still an empty ass lobby. Put my soul in a clip, algorithm said nah, but a man argues with ketchup. Global star tomorrow. Pay for the reach, pay for the eyes, pay for the privilege of being denied. The smarter the message, the lower it goes. Post something stupid, now everybody knows. We gotta pay for plays, still nobody stays. thinking gets buried, nonsense gets praised. Lower the bar, erase your brain. Dance for the server and purchase again. Your campaign has ended.